Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into the incredible story of one of the most iconic bridges in the world, the Old Bridge of Mostar. It's not just a masterpiece of architecture, but a powerful symbol of resilience, unity, and hope. Let's get into it. In the heart of Bosnia and Herzegovina, arching gracefully over the emerald Neretva River, stands a bridge that has witnessed centuries of history, culture, destruction, and rebirth. This is the story of the Old Bridge of Mostar, a monument of resilience, a symbol of unity, and a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture. Built in the mid-16th century during the Ottoman rule, the Stari Most, or Old Bridge, was commissioned by Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent and designed by architect Mimar Hayreddin, a student of the legendary Mimar Sinan. When completed in 1566, it was one of the widest man-made arches in the world. The bridge wasn't just a way to cross the river, it connected cultures, religions, and communities in a city where east meets west. Mostar itself means bridge keeper, and the bridge became the soul of the city. Over the centuries, it turned into a social and cultural hub where young men would show bravery by diving into the cold river below, a tradition that lives on today. Its elegant arch was more than stone and mortar. It was a statement of harmony and architectural brilliance. But in 1993, during the Bosnian War, the Old Bridge was destroyed in a tragic moment that echoed around the world. Shells from Croat forces struck the bridge, and it collapsed into the river below. Its destruction was not just physical, it was emotional. It symbolized the deep divisions and pain of a war that tore apart families, friendships, and cities. But the story didn't end there. In 2004, after years of international cooperation and meticulous reconstruction, the bridge was reborn stone by stone, using traditional materials and techniques. It was a message to the world: healing is possible. The bridge was rebuilt using some of the original stones retrieved from the river and reopened on July 23, 2004. Today, the Old Bridge is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a powerful symbol of reconciliation. Tourists from around the world walk across it, not just to admire its beauty, but to feel its message that even after deep division, communities can rebuild. Mostar's Old Bridge is not just an architectural wonder, it's a bridge of peace. From the heights of empire to the depths of war and back to hope, the Old Bridge of Mostar tells a story that's both ancient and urgent. It reminds us all that no matter how divided the world may seem, we can always rebuild bridges, literally and metaphorically. Subscribe for more stories that bring history to life.